I've been using the Instacart Shopper app extensively in 2025, and in this video, I'm sharing my honest and unbiased review of whether it's still a viable gig for part-time or full-time work. The app continues to offer flexibility, allowing shoppers to set their own schedules and choose between full-service shopping and in-store roles. Recent updates have introduced features like biometric login for enhanced security and a new shopping quality score that provides feedback on order accuracy and customer satisfaction. Additionally, Instacart has launched AI-powered tools like Store View and Second Store Check to improve inventory accuracy and reduce out-of-stock issues, aiming to enhance both shopper efficiency and customer experience. However, there are notable challenges. Many shoppers report declining earnings due to increased competition and reduced batch availability. The new shopping quality score, while intended to provide constructive feedback, has been criticized for being influenced by factors outside of shoppers' control, such as store inventory levels. Furthermore, the app's performance can be inconsistent, with some users experiencing glitches or delays during peak hours. Customer support remains a mixed bag, with some issues taking longer than expected to resolve. In summary, the Instacart Shopper app in 2025 offers a range of tools and features designed to support gig workers, but the overall experience is heavily dependent on location, demand, and individual circumstances. It's a suitable option for those seeking flexible, supplementary income, but may not be reliable as a primary source of earnings. If you found this review helpful, please support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next one.